Get started with AI-powered Microsoft Designer. Welcome everyone, where we explore the world of Microsoft Designer. In this video, we will define Microsoft Designer and explore the ins and outs of its utilizing. So let's start. Microsoft Designer is a powerful AI tool that unleashes your creativity and enhances your design process with just a few words. It combines intuitive features, extensive design assets, and seamless integration with other Microsoft Office applications to revolutionize the way you create visually stunning content. Now we move on and unveil the amazing features and benefits of Microsoft Designer. Go to Microsoft Designer's website. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one or sign up using your Microsoft account. Here you can try a prompt and select an example to generate similar design. I can pick this one poster showing holidays collage with photos of decorations, food and activities. Then I click Generate button. And that's what I get. You can choose between it and click Customize Design. I can attempt another prompt, which involves creating an Instagram post that we are selling decadence chocolate, including images of decadent chocolate and milk. After generating the post, I will choose a design template and proceed with personalizing it to suit our needs. Microsoft Designer offers various sizing options, including square, landscape, and portrait formats. You have the flexibility to select the size that best suits your preferences or requirements. One of the remarkable features of Microsoft Designer is its intuitive interface. It simplifies the design process, making it accessible to users of all skill levels. You don't need to be a graphic design expert to create visually captivating content. Microsoft Designer's user-friendly tools and drag-and-drop functionality make it easy to experiment with layouts, typography, and visual elements. You have access to a vast library of design templates, fonts, colors, and graphics, enabling you to effortlessly create professional quality designs. Whether you're working on presentations, social media posts, infographics, or marketing materials, Microsoft Designer provides the tools you need to make your design stand out. Here in my search for a food chocolate template, I discovered a range of diverse options available for selection. These templates offer different designs and styles, providing you with a variety of choices to pick from. Microsoft Designer provides an additional option called My Designs, which encompasses all of your previous design creations. This feature allows you to browse through your existing designs and select one of your choosing. Once selected, you can proceed to customize it further according to your preferences. Here is another example of a design I previously created, specifically focused on a restaurant theme. To summarize, whether you're a graphic designer or a content creator, Microsoft Designer empowers you with a vast library of design assets and an intuitive interface. Say goodbye to complex software and hello to professional quality results in less time.